born in a beautiful palace. My servants will take care of him. He will be at once the Lord of the world, and you will live close to him.
Oh God, please take away this temptation and give us the power. In your hands we put all what we have.
There was no place for them. That's why the little Jesus was born in a poor stable.
How are you feeling now? I'm not sad or tired, having my child Jesus in my hands. Away in the manger, no look further. The little Lord Jesus lay down his sweet head. The stars in the bright sky low down while he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay.
There are some shepherds